Hello, Habayes! By the way, this is Mark, and you are watching in Habi TV. And as you see, I'm just happy now. I don't know why. But have you already watched our previous video on our polar blue breeding setup? But if not, just click right here. Alright, so in this video, we'll see how our breeder already laid their eggs. But before anything else, if you're new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss out any of our videos. So let's get into the video. From our past video, we've already seen that they are a little bit shy. But after a few days, the two of them have already paired up. And if you have a bunch of them, you'll start to notice if they start to pair up. And the two of them will become more aggressive. It's kinda, they don't like to be disturbed by other parrotfish or other fish. What you're going to do is to separate the rest of them and give room to your breeder who have paired up. So days have passed, they like to go along with each other, and it's a good sign that your parrotfish pair will spawn soon. And there you go, they already have eggs and they usually stick on the plain surface of the elbow pipe that we have placed from the last time, and they will become so protective. And after a few more days, the eggs are in wiggling stage, and their parents will protect them until they become free swimmer and depend on their own. So you need to feed them with BBS or BB brine shrimp, dapnia or high protein fish feeds for them to grow faster. And notes, polar blue parrot are one of the easiest cichlid fish to breed. You just need to identify the pair and you're good to go. Some hobbyists nowadays breed them constantly for extra income. So that's it guys, hopefully this video helps you to breed your own pair. And of course, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to get updated on upcoming tutorial videos. Stay safe everyone, to God be the glory. Bye bye.